Hi, my name is Frank Ober. I'm from Intel's memory group. Yeah, one of the big challenges we see is that the application software out there is just not fast enough for Optane SSDs. Now that's not the case with Scylla. Scylla is architected from the bottom up to be as hardware aware in today's modern hardware architecture, where we're doing a lot more things around the CPU, right? The CPUs, there's more and more cores, but what we're doing is we're providing things like FPGAs and these Optane SSDs that really push the envelope of those areas of the computer. And the guys at Scylla are completely in tune with this. That's why they call it the autonomous database. It's actually, what it's doing is it's trying to optimize for these different areas of the computer. The greatest part of Scylla is the fact that they're optimizing for workloads, right? We are in the era of use cases, and we're also in the era of big memory. Right? It's not just my division, which is one of the fastest growing divisions at Intel, but it is true we are building a big memory system at Intel at high volume scale. That's great for you because you pay commodity prices for something that used to be very, very customized, very, very expensive. And with Scylla, you've got open source development methodology, providing that very fast delivery. So you've got the best of today's world. What I see in Scylla is they've got three pillars to their product. One is to be API compatible. That's extremely important because you want to be able to port from Cassandra with just a data migration. You don't want to have to rewrite code. That's painful. And NoSQL is very fragmented. There's lots of different use cases for lots of different data. It gets really interesting with the different schema types. But Scylla clearly has an advantage because two of the three pillars are the hardware optimization, what they call the workload optimization that they figure out between CPU scheduling and handling the I/O. And the other part is just being able to scale, right? Nobody wants to run a massive farm of servers. We love that at Intel, but you don't love it because it lacks consistency and creates a lot of operational problems when things break. If they're breaking every day, you're not actually moving your business forward. So you want a very tight little cluster that you can build. You can put a server, 4 servers under your desk to really understand how Scylla works. And then when you move it into the cloud, you can see how a real bare metal reference platform operates compared to your cloud vendors. And then you have an advantage of understanding what cloud providers are providing to you.